Hey guys, Jason here. Just wanted to try to show you a little bit of my power outputs from my Missouri Wind and Solar today. Now I have it unhooked from the battery. As you can see, it's hooked directly to the grid tie. This is the old school Missouri Wind and Solar on the back of the house, and that's the only one that's hooked up to an amp gauge right now. Here's the watts from both my turbines, all three of them, but the little Chinese turbine really doesn't stay into the wind long enough to keep pushing out power. So here we go. A little gust. $271 there. 153, 224. $200, 219. That's Missouri Wind and Solar power in about 20-mile-an-hour winds at the max. Oh, there's a 21-mile-an-hour wind. So about 20-mile-an-hour winds. Gusty. Yep, that's why I'm using Missouri Wind and Solar, because it works for me. I like it. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. $328, $358, $304. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yep. Alright, well, thanks for watching, you guys. I gotta go make some more coffee. But, yeah, I mean, that is why I use Missouri Wind and Solar. It works good for me. I'm happy. And that's after it goes through my Chinese grid tie inverters. 190 watts, 130, 107, 96. Yep, and around 20-mile-an-hour winds at the most. So that's pretty good for me. I'm happy with that. Yep, my sun grid tie inverters. And cheap little Chinese grid tie, Chinese turbine is hooked up to that one over there. And it barely kicks on very often. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to go inside, but that's what's going on. I got a little bit of winds blowing through again. But that's just, you know, standard, about 15, 20-mile-an-hour wind. Alright, bye.